Guys, I was literally just sitting on the game. I wasn't working, I wasn't grinding, I was just decompressing after a long day, and then I got this notification. $47. I stared at it for a second because it didn't feel just like a number, it felt like a moment. And it kind of felt like proof that this was real, that you could literally be living your life and still make money if you build the right system. And that's when everything changed for me. Here's some proof right here, the last 2 days. So this is the story of how digital products actually changed my life and my perspective, and how this can potentially change yours too if you follow these next parts. So I'm sure I'll throw some b-roll of the screen showing you guys one of my sales that I got whenever it was, but I'm going to take you through the story and the first sale that changed everything. Now, I want you guys to understand, I've been selling extremely low ticket, or I was selling extremely low ticket products for a long time. And the reason I was doing that is not because my value didn't relate or wasn't good enough to be in something with a higher price. It's because I didn't believe in myself and I hadn't validated my offer. So after getting that initial sale of a higher price point like $47, which is basically the lowest you can go to get someone to impulse buy as a low ticket offer. When you actually validate your offer, when you sell something for $47 or higher and you actually get good results, testimonials, and feedback, your confidence skyrockets, and that's what allows you to believe in yourself to go to the next level. All of this stuff, digital products related, is belief based. I'm gonna pop up this thing on the screen here that I've used ever since the first day I got a sale, that I repeat every single day. If I sell something for $47, I only have to sell that thing 213 times in 1 month to make 10K in revenue. And that's extremely doable because, like I said, once you validate your offer, you sell something online, you get it sold, you get good feedback, that means you can repeat that and do it again. My first sale I had gotten from organic from this YouTube channel. My second sale I had gotten from paid ads. So once you can validate organically, you can test with paid. Once you get a sale with paid, you can scale with paid because you know there's people out there who are willing to buy without needing to have their hand held. Guys, it got to the point where I wasn't chasing freedom anymore. I was chasing proof. And that's what that first $47 sale gave me. When you can sell something for $47, it's a proven statistic. If you can do that without a sales call, without holding their hand, that is 95% of what people and entrepreneurs cannot do. So that automatically puts you into that top 5%. Now you have a real skill, something that is scalable, something that you can make $10, $20, $30,000 a month with. After that first sale, I realized I couldn't just wing it anymore. That's why I documented every single thing, every single funnel, every single formula that I used to get up to the point where I was making those sales so that I could have that as a resource. And that later on became something that I have now called Digital Income Blueprint. And it's not a course, it's a system of everything, of all the blueprints that I've used to get to this exact point. And it's in the description if you want to check that out. So if this story kind of feels like where you're at right now, then go and check it out, make it yours. I'm circling back to making it a mind game. Guys, I have this written out on my board. I have a pre-post checklist for what I do organically, a thumbnail checklist for what I do over there, perceived value checklist, and my automatic checklist that I have up here. The goal is 10K a month. At first, it was just 2K a month. That's not enough. That's not high enough, bro. If the goal you set doesn't make you tremble, it's not high enough. I know I can make 2K a month. It needs to be higher than that. Matter of fact, if you sell something for $47, my apologies, you sell one a day for an entire month, that's $1,400 in revenue. Take home with the digital product, $1,200, around that. Now I'm talking to you directly because I know you're probably hyped about what I've just said and the potential things that can happen when you make sales, etc., etc. Now I'm talking to you. Maybe you've tried to sell something and it's flopped before, or you're sitting on an idea but you're scared to post about it, and I'm going to tell you exactly 3 reasons why creators of digital products fail every single time. Number 1, there's no clarity on who they're helping. If you aren't sure about who you're helping, how can you help them? What are you selling? You're flustered. Number 2, selling stuff instead of solving problems. I have an entire module about this in my blueprint for a reason. You find your ideal client and then you sell the pain point that they're hurting with so that you can fix that for them. When they fix that pain point that's been holding them down for months or years, that's how they reach the next level. Number 3, no system. You don't have a system that you're using over and over. And without a system, you're using vibes and Canva templates that will not get you anywhere. This is my trust flow system. It's probably popped up on the screen right here, and my flywheel diagram. This is exactly what I use to nurture, to warm, to turn cold leads to warm, to sell my warm leads and warm viewers into the things that are actually going to help them. And again, I target pain points. If I know that I've gotten here because of something that I've done correctly, and other people are like, hey, can you help me with that? Or I'm struggling with this, and I know 100% I can get them results, that's a guarantee. That's something that you put into your product or thing that you're selling. I'm sorry, I kind of have went on a tangent on why digital products fail and like what you should actually be doing, but that's just because I'm passionate about this type of stuff. But back to the actual story of how it changed my life. I just want you guys to understand that confidence is a huge thing within your life. Confidence changes a lot of things day to day if you have it. And seeing results come from you taking a step out of your comfort zone to become comfortable in yourself and to become confident and to sell something that you know will change people's lives, get them to where you're at, just be uncomfortable. And that's what I did. And selling something for $50 for essentially a part of your brain is crazy to me. And the crazier part is what was that I was doing this fully automated. I could literally leave this all for a week, have it run, put my ad spend in, have 3 videos ready to upload, and the business is running. And that's what you can't get from a regular job. With this, it's instant. You're selling something right away, and you're selling a transformation. If someone were to buy a hoodie, the hoodie's cool. Like, I bought this hoodie online. I'm wearing it. I like it. What else does it do for me? Nothing. You buy an info product for $50, you could have just invested in yourself, and you could potentially be making $200 a day from that information. There's levels to this. That's why info products are so essential and so valuable nowadays. Also, keep watching this video. At the end of this video, I'll be giving a very quick training on how to actually get your first lead. So stay and watch for that, because I understand and have gotten a lot of feedback and people wanting to learn about leads and stuff, but they're just not ready to indulge in Digital Income Blueprint. That's cool. I'll give you free training at the end of the video. So actually 6 months ago, when I was first running my very low ticket $2 to $7 digital products, I remember this one night I prayed and I said, God, show me how good it can get. And the next morning I woke up with like 5 sales, but they were very low ticket. They were very cheap. So the feeling was not very good, but I feel like that's a focal point and it's something that you should be starting out at doing, because you need to learn how to sell online first before you start scaling up offers and stuff. The reason I say this is because starting at $2, getting 10 sales with $2, going up to $5, testing market fit. Can I sell this for $5? Can I sell this for $7? I went up from there to 20 a month. I went up from there again, and so on and so forth. That's how I was able to iterate over and over again and make sure that if I'm going to sell something for $50, that it's going to be damn good and helpful. And I'll pop up a little testimonial right here from someone who bought last night, and he wasn't even through probably a quarter of my lessons module, and he's saying that it's very useful and very helpful for him. And that's essentially what I teach in terms of building out products that help people, because I believe if you have a skill that you're good at, there's always going to be hundreds of thousands of people who are 2 to 3 steps behind you, who that information would be very valuable for, and that can get them to where you're at faster than how you got there, if that makes sense. And that kind of leads into the next point that I'm trying to make, that is to solve one real problem that you've already overcome. Now let me make that a little bit more clear. Solve one problem that you've already overcome. If you have learned how to train for a half marathon and to run a half marathon, come back and be able to live your daily life without feeling you're about to die, that's something that you've overcome. There's a lot of people who want to run marathons. There's a lot of people who want to run 5 miles. If you're able to do that, you've now unlocked everything below that mile range of 13 and a half or however many miles it is. If someone wants to run 3 miles a day, but they feel horrible afterwards, you can encourage them and you can make a course on how to change their perspective on that and how to actually have them recover faster and things of that nature. But if you've, overcome something, package that clearly. Package that solution to their problem clearly. When it's clear, trust can be built. When trust can be built, a purchase can be made, all right? And build belief around it using content, especially for people who don't want to put a lot of money into ad spend, because starting ads is not necessarily easy. There's a lot of testing and a lot of money that you do have to use to find any results with it. So that's why I recommend doing this organically with IG Reels or long form YouTube content, like how I've done in the past. Now I do run ads, but I bring a lot of the information from that over to organic to explain to the people here who are clearly looking for a way out of the situation that they're currently in on how to get there. If you've ever helped someone with something, there is a product inside of you. You just haven't packaged it yet. That's a calling. Not everyone wants to be a teacher. My mom's a teacher. I never thought I'd like teaching. I'm realizing this is literally teaching from home at the point where you can make any amount of money opposed to having it be at a set time. Think of it like that. A lot of the people who I've talked to and worked with in the past, the people I've spoken with who've made over $1 million with info products like Montel Gordon, and the people who make 10 to 20,000 a month like Money Maxing. I've had many conversations with both of them. I've worked with them. I've bought things from both of them. And I promise you, I've always overcomplicated things, and everyone else has also overcomplicated things. And those people usually failed because it became too much for them. You don't need 10 modules. You need a transformation. You need to be able to find someone's pain point and take them from point A to point B. That's it. And they will be extremely happy with that. Guys, I have been on this journey for 2 years. First, it was getting monetized on YouTube. Then it was starting a business through YouTube. And I've dialed in on that single thing this entire time for years. I never switched up. I never changed what I wanted to do as a whole. Simple things that like were topics of content, those did change. And it changed at the right time because everything will happen at the right time for the right reason. But you need to keep a basic structure. You don't need to overcomplicate anything. That's how you get out of whack, and that's how you just get stuck not finding any kind of success. You guys have to look at it like this. When you're selling something for $50 to $97, one sale of that a day, at the worst, will lead you to over $1,000 a month in total revenue. Not profit. Profit would be, like I said, $1,200. But every single one of you guys can do that. You guys just need to understand that you have to find one actual product. You have to understand in your life what someone has asked for help with that you've solved a problem to. And then you just have to test that within the market. And it is hard, it's complicated, and it takes a lot of reps. But with the right information, with the right systems, you can 100% do that. I'm living proof of that. I will not get on camera and tell you that any of this will be easy. I've had nights where I've literally cried over this, that it wasn't working. I've had nights rethinking this. I've had nights just believing that I spent a year and a half, 2 years wasting my time, that the information, the value, the things that I have become very good at, editing, thumbnail design, being a marketer, selling things, closing, all that stuff, I just had second thoughts. I was always second guessing myself. But you don't have to do that. I'm living proof. If you put the work in, you do have something that is worth value that people will happily pay for. And all you have to do is test it. And if that doesn't work, you find something else. Everyone is not meant to be selling digital products, doing online e-commerce, things of that nature. And that's okay. We're not all meant to do that. Some of you are meant to be nurses, doctors, teachers. We need teachers. We need to raise up the kids. The kids are the future. But I promise you this, if you are someone who wants to get into digital products, sell something online, coaching, anything of that nature, you need a system. You need to learn how to build trust, and you need to use the trust flow system. That's the easiest way I can put it. But like I promised you guys, I will give you a quick free training on how to do those things, how to get leads, because a lead is something that will go into a sale. If you get a lead, you warm that person up. At that point, it's just talking to get to the next stage. Hormozy says, the more you remove the risk, the more people will feel stupid not to buy, right? Which is what I've essentially learned how to do. An offer isn't what you sell, it's how you frame what you sell. And what makes a great offer, from top marketing research and psychology that I've looked and done research on, is a clear transformation, stacked perception, a fast path, and risk removal. Those are the 4 things that people want that is going to push them really quickly to do A, B, C, or D, you know? And what strategic positioning is positioning how people describe you when you're not in the room. So you need to be using category creation. The way I would look at it, I like to take different angles that still hit the very competitive markets, but that puts you in your own little C, because no one else thinks like this. No one else thinks how I do. So don't say you're a YouTube coach. Say you're the content trust architect. Don't say your offer is a guide, call it a conversion system. If you're hard to describe, you're hard to buy from. And on YouTube, positioning video pattern equals video patterns. So what you repeatedly post is what you get known for. Look, this is my channel. Before I tell you, just take a quick look at this and tell me what you think my channel is about. I'll give you 3 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. All right. So if you said digital products and YouTube, you were correct. Look, digital product, digital product, digital product. Down here, you POV, you quit your job to run a YouTube business at 21. YouTube is hard. I didn't quit YouTube because of this. I felt that YouTube until I understood this. You see what I'm saying? And everything else up here was all about how to make money online. Then I transitioned fully into digital products, things like that. When you look at my channel, What do you think about digital products and YouTube? Mainly digital products, but I have the YouTube background there so that people know I'm legit in both categories. And that's what you have to do. Channel positioning is extremely necessary. Niching down is extremely necessary. People will tell you that you don't need to niche down on YouTube, on Instagram. You need to have a niche and then expand, because when you niche down, you'll get a good sum of people, create that cult following, and then expand up. You'll bring that cult following with you. You'll put them on with new stuff. You'll learn new stuff. It's a happy family. And to end it off, your video will build belief. Your offer is the shortcut. Look, element, what to do. Example, I made a whole chart for y'all, a whole little table. A call to action will place them after a belief shift or win. An example, now if that clicked, it's all broken down in my system below, etc., etc. Offers, mirror the pain the video addresses. If you're tired of guessing, here's my exact video planning system. Positioning, repeat one sentence every video to install positioning. I help small creators build trust-based content systems that actually sell. I'm giving you guys examples of what I've actually used that's actually worked. What more do you need? This is a small piece of what is in one of my modules in Digital Income Blueprint. If you're looking to do this on YouTube, which you should be doing, and paid ads, I have content in there that hits both of those that you'll learn from. I guarantee you'll know what to do. And I'll guarantee you that you will go from being confused and not know how to do anything involving selling something or making something to knowing what to do, and probably even getting your first sale and definitely getting your first lead. So if you've been watching and you feel like this video is speaking to you and where you're at, let me be real with you. You don't need to hustle harder. You don't need more tactics. You just need the right systems. If you're thinking, I'm posting content, I can't get any sales, I can't get anyone to reach out to me, I can't get any leads, then this is something that you want to be considerate about. You want to position your offer. You want to be able to make people believe in what you're selling. You want to validate your offer. That's how you find market fit and are able to scale these things, like how these people are scaling to hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's exactly why I built Digital Income Blueprint. And it's the same system I use to go from guessing to actually getting the results that I wanted. And it's not some course or theory. It's just the exact blueprint, mapping out everything that I use to get to this point so that you can get here too. The link is in the description. If you're serious, if you want to invest in yourself, I will see you inside.